Which bi-directional OBD2 scanner is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down the top contenders that not only read codes, but also give you deep insights into your vehicle systems.
Product number 1, X-Tool D7. The X-Tool D7 Bi-Directional Scan Tool. Priced at $369.99, it caught my eye with its impressive feature set designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. If you want a comprehensive diagnostic tool that can really dig into your vehicle systems, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this matters for you specifically. The D7 comes with over 39 special functions and supports 5,000 mAh battery life, meaning you can run diagnostics all day without needing a recharge. With 4,000 plus active tests, including everything from ABS tests to injector tests, it's like having a professional scanner at a fraction of the cost. It also covers over 100,000 vehicles, giving you immense versatility. Plus, the ability to personalize diagnostic reports with your shop's logo can help build trust with your customers. Now, some people complained about its somewhat complex interface. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the advanced features really pay off. If you're willing to spend a little time learning the system, you'll appreciate its capabilities. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or a small shop owner looking for pro-level diagnostics without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're just looking for basic code reading, as you might find it a bit overwhelming. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit more user-friendly.
Product number 2, Autel MaxiCheck MX808S. We have the Autel MaxiCheck MX808S, priced at $378.79. This one really impressed me with its fast performance and solid build. If you're looking for a scanner that's quick and efficient, this is definitely worthy of your attention. The MX808S is powered by a 4-core CPU and features 4 GB RAM, which means it boots up in seconds and runs diagnostics without lag. With over 3,000 active tests, you can quickly check various systems like the engine, ABS, and SRS. Its OE-level full system diagnostics makes it easy to read and clear codes across all modules, which is super handy for comprehensive troubleshooting. Also, with a coverage of over 10,000 vehicles, it's a great tool for any mechanic or DIYer. However, some users mentioned that the lack of advanced features for certain brands was a letdown. But here's the thing. For most common vehicles, it performs exceptionally well and is versatile enough for most users' needs. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tool that gets the job done without any fuss. Skip this one if you work primarily on high-end or rare vehicles that require more specialized tools. But for the price, you really can't beat the value it offers. If the previous product's limitations bothered you, this next one might just hit the sweet spot. Product number 3, ThinkDiag 2. The ThinkDiag 2 is a real budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. I was genuinely surprised by how much functionality it offers at this price point. The ThinkDiag 2 supports all systems and includes 15 maintenance resets. It even has bi-directional control, which allows you to send commands directly to components for active testing. This means you can check things like the AC clutch or windows, making it a great tool for quick diagnostics without needing to pull out manual controls. Plus, it boasts compatibility with over 120 car brands, which is impressive. That said, some users reported connectivity issues with specific vehicles, but honestly, that's not a deal breaker for most users, especially if you primarily work on more common models. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable scanner that won't break the bank while still providing a wide range of functions. Skip this one if you need extensive manufacturer-specific functions, as you might find it lacking. For the price, it's a fantastic entry into the world of advanced diagnostics. Now, if you're looking for something with more advanced features, the next scanner is definitely worth considering.
Product number 4, ThinkDiag. The ThinkDiag, priced at $199.99. I'll be real with you, this is a fantastic choice for those who don't want to spend a fortune, but still crave professional-level diagnostics. The ThinkDiag offers 15 plus reset functions and full system diagnostics, making it a powerful tool for any mechanic. It supports live data and has active testing capabilities, allowing you to check the status of various components in real time. Plus, its auto VIN function helps you quickly identify the car model, which is a huge time saver. With 120 plus brands supported, it's quite versatile. However, some users pointed out that it requires a bit of setup, especially for activation. But once you get it going, the performance is solid, and it's hard to argue with the price point. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid OBD2 scanner that won't cost a fortune. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward plug-and-play device without any setup hassle. For its capabilities, it's definitely a steal. Alright, that was a budget-friendly option. But if you want something with even more advanced features, the next product on our list might just impress you.
Product number 5, LA-X431 CRP919 EBT. We have the LA-X431 CRP919 EBT, which comes in at $475.15. This one is a bit pricier, but trust me, it's loaded with features that can make a real difference. The CRP919 EBT features a powerful processor and a 7-inch touchscreen for smooth navigation. With over 35 reset functions and the ability to perform active testing on systems like ABS and headlights, it gives you a level of control that many scanners lack. Plus, its compatibility with newer protocols like CAN-FD means it can handle modern vehicles with ease, making it a worthy investment for any serious technician. Some users have mentioned that the price is on the higher side, but here's the thing. If you're going to be using this tool regularly for professional work, the advanced features and support for newer models make it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're a professional mechanic looking for a comprehensive scanner. Skip this one if your needs are more basic or if you only work on older vehicles. For what you're getting, it's a solid tool for serious diagnostics.
You've got the X-Tool D7 for comprehensive diagnostics, the Autel MaxiCheck MX808S for speed and efficiency, the ThinkDiag 2 for budget-conscious buyers, the ThinkDiag for a good mix of features at a low price, and the Launch X431 CRP919 EBT for those needing advanced capabilities. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best before making a decision.